Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You've opened your document. Now make sure you're in print layout so Word shows actual page breaks. Once there, go to the View tab and choose Zoom. Select multiple pages to tile pages horizontally. This immediately shows 2 pages across. If your screen is small, adjust zoom percentage manually. 100% to 75% often fits 2 pages. You're doing this to compare layout and flow, not just text. So keep rulers visible and margins set while you preview side by side. If you want to compare 2 separate documents, open both files and on the View tab click View Side by Side. Word will tile them and by default, enable synchronous scrolling so you can scroll both at once. This is useful to spot layout differences. Once done, use Arrange All or switch windows to change the arrangement. Make sure zoom is consistent across both docs so pages match visually. Adjust zoom on one and use Reset Window Position if they become misaligned. To finish, decide whether to keep the side-by-side view or revert. Zoom right arrow one page or Fit to Window returns you to a single page focus. If pages don't line up, check page setup for inconsistent paper size, margins, or orientation. That's why alignment fails. If view side by side loses sync, click Reset Window Position or simply close and reopen the command. That restores synchronous scrolling. And if layout still looks off, restart Word after saving. Small refreshes often clear display glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.